Time to make my special seasoning. First you need this, some brown sugar, some beef seasoning provolone, some salt, garlic salt, black pepper, and some red cayenne pepper. Ain't that beautiful before it's mixed? Now mix it up. This is what it's supposed to be looking like. Warm up your favorite microwave dinner. I prefer to use the seasoning for like pasta and like some like pies. The seasoning will be great with it. Now add the seasoning into the food. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Voila. Okay, I'm gonna try it now. A little sweetness, a little spiciness, and it's good. So that is it for Javier's Adventures Cooking. So adios, au revoir, ciao.